I've always really had a fascination for cars.
It's a good atmosphere in here. Everyone's kind of joking around, so.
If you love cars, I believe that auto collision is the class just for you.
My name is Rich Stumpf, and I believe this is like my 22nd or 23rd year here. Auto collision and refinishing is a class that teaches students how to maintain, how to fix or repair damage to the exterior of the car.
Auto collision can be a fun class to take with friends, or if you just want to explore the body of a car.
It's a good skill to learn whether you're going to do this professionally or not, because I think it makes you a smarter consumer if you get involved in a car accident.
Would I recommend this class to other people? Yes, I would. I would recommend that. It's a very fun class and you can learn a lot of stuff from it.
Students can get brand new experiences from this class and learn new things that can help them in the future.
What experiences does a student get out of this class? Again, it kind of goes back to learning how to maintain your own vehicle, what it takes to take care of the finish, as far as the paint. If there's some type of rust, surface rust, or rust holes, the student would understand and know what the proper way to repair it is. If they took it to a repair facility, then they would be smarter on how it should be taken care of and what it should look like when it gets done.
Learned how to properly bondo and fill a hole for a fender, put a dent in it. And we are currently learning how to airbrush, and that's going pretty well. So.
Both the teachers and students can learn and give advice to other students about taking this class.
The best advice I can give for a student is no matter what it is that you want to do the best job that you can. Give it 100% every single day.
I would say it's a very fun class and it's very interesting as long as you pay attention a lot and do what you're supposed to do. And you can make it fun for yourself as long as you do what you're supposed to do.
If you love cars, detailing cars, or just working with cars in general, then I believe that auto collision is just the right class for you.